Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today's July 16th, 2019, here to give you all the news according to the charts, not really paying attention to articles unless there's a lot of discrepancies being seen on the price chart, which is one of the main reasons why we are your source of the most accurate and reliable, trustworthy news in the YouTube platform for the cryptocurrency market. Thank you all for coming to our particular channel on today. If this is your first time, we do hope that you find our information very informative and easy to understand as well as view. If you appreciate the content, make sure that you go ahead and continue to like, share, and subscribe our videos. Hit that bell notification as well so you become notified when we upload this very simple to see and understand content pertaining to the price charts. We're going to talk about Cardano for today real quick. Cardano paired against the dollar. The last time we did our video for Cardano was on July 10th, and we're going to show you precisely how the market has traded since then and the actual direction of what we expected the market in Cardano to do. Monthly chart for Cardano right now, you can tell that the market is still giving us a lot of weakness. We're not really indicating and seeing any strength coming into the market yet just for Cardano. We have already came and touched a logical area of support right there around 5.5 cents. Very positive to see that in the market for Cardano on a long-term basis. Switching over here to the weekly time frame, you can tell again that the weekly chart is also giving us continued weakness in the market. That's not a positive thing yet. We are in the phase of waiting to see where strength comes into the market for this cryptocurrency pair. Like I said, right around this particular area has to be a very good support area for Cardano, and we won't be able to tell that until we see some volume come into the market, which we are not getting yet on this current weekly bar. So time is still waiting for us to see where that strength is going to come in at. Okay, daily time frame for Cardano, again, you can tell here when we created our video that we was looking for this market to continue to move lower, and we hit our price target. 8.7% market move to the downside, and obviously you can tell here that we could have played this a lot longer in the market for Cardano to recoup at least 26% in this particular space, because we already knew that the market was weak. So if you guys can simply tell where the market is likely to go, you can always profit in the cryptocurrency space. Don't listen to anyone that tells you that technical analysis doesn't work, which we don't follow technical analysis. We utilize language analysis in our predictions and our expectations of market movements. So seeing that we have already came and hit that particular price, we are going to go ahead and get rid of that. And we're going to talk about what we expect the market in Cardano to do now. So you can tell here that overall the market in Cardano has hit a double top. First time was right here, and then the second time was right around this particular area, and we also hit a double bottom. First one, and now we're here on the second one. Now the current trend in the market in Cardano, as you all can tell, is still weakness in this space. Okay, so this is the current trend in the market in Cardano. Logical support area, as you can tell, is still right there around 5 cents. Very slim chance that the market may try to hold support right there where we are at now. You'll be able to tell that a little bit better on the smaller time frames. So looking at Cardano on the 4-hour chart, you can tell that this particular market is not really giving us a lot of indications of particular movement higher. Now we're in a very short-term consolidational area right now, but the long-term trend on this 4-hour chart continues to reflect to us indications of weakness. So I'm not seeing any strength into the market just yet in Cardano, and this particular market in the near term cannot break to the downside of this lows of these 3-hour bars right here, which we're doing now. So that's again not a positive thing to see in Cardano. So overall, nothing has changed. We're still seeing some indications of some minor movement to the downside. I'm gonna switch it back over to the daily, and we're just going to play the market in Cardano to try to come down to this 5-cent price. Let's see, we're going to place a sell position into the market in Cardano. And we're going to hold it around 5 cents. So it's like another 10% market move to the downside in Cardano. And I will hold that resistance area and bring it up just a little bit more. Right around there. But again, nothing has changed. The overall trend in Cardano is one of weakness. And I would TP the market right where we are now if I see some strength coming in at the 5.5 cent price. Now it has to be on a small time frame. So that's why when you look at any changes in the market to occur, you need to look at on a small time frame to determine, should I get out the market relatively quick and soon? Okay, so this area, like I just talked about, has to be support. 5.5 cents. We're getting this massive down bar right now in this space, so it tells us that the market in Cardano is still relatively weak. So the anticipation is for this market in Cardano to continue to move lower in price. TP would be around 5 cents, but a long-term play would definitely be all the way down to 4.5 cents. Okay, but I'm not really seeing that play out just yet. But definitely 5 cents is a logical area in the market for Cardano to try to find some more support, and that's where we'll TP the market. Okay, so we're definitely looking for Cardano to continue to move to the downside. You can tell our expectations, and we're going to let the market play out to see precisely how it's going to trade. Check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com, if you want to get more information about our cryptocurrency language analysis for other altcoins into the market and any other pertinent news that we see is important for you all to know. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to y'all later.